Hi everyone, it's Kimmy, and today we're going to talk about the 5 ways you can create a cozy home. And the first way to create a cozy home is going to be to change with the seasons. Now, we have 4 seasons here in New England, so that's going to be somewhat easier than maybe someone who lives in a tropical climate or a very cold climate all the time. But we really do enjoy decorating for the seasons, simple things that you could put away and use again next year at this time of year. So every season that comes along, you have a stash, you have a bucket full of fun things that you're only going to use during that season. So I think that's super fun for kids too. I know my kids love when we pull out the blankets in the winter time and each one has their own blanket, and it's just really fun for them. So that's one way that we change with the seasons. So if you want to create cozy, definitely change with the seasons. The second way to create a cozy home, the second way, is going to be light. Yes, light. Light in your home is very important. And when I say light, I mean twinkle lights, beautiful window lights. Instead of using fluorescent bulbs, maybe you want to use some more cozy, calm colors, golden hues in your home to create little areas of interest. And I really love displaying twinkle lights all over the place. I use candles and I use different types of colors of bulbs inside my window lights, and it just makes it really cozy in here. No matter what your taste, no matter what your style, if you're looking to cozy up your home, adding light, dim, cozy, beautiful, warm light will cozy up your house, especially in the winter months, which we're in now in December here in New England. So we're trying to stay cozy any way we can. So the third way to create a cozy home is going to be displaying books. People love to read. People love to just flip through a book. Children love to flip through books, all kinds of books. So one of the ways I really enjoy cozying up my home, my cozy little cabin here in the woods, is to display lots of books. The fourth way you can create a cozy home is through scent. I love my essential oils, and I use aromatherapy in my health and wellness journey all the time. Scent is very powerful and can help you create a cozy environment for your family. I love making homemade potpourri on the stove. All you really need is a pot of water. Just set your stove to medium to low heat. Let it simmer, and once it gets simmering, you can add some cinnamon, some cloves, and some orange peel. So simple, so easy, yet it will just make your house smell so wonderful, so welcoming, warming, and inviting. The fifth tip to creating a cozy home is going to be to tuck in your home at night before you go to sleep. I wipe down all my surfaces and pick up all the clutter from the day so that when I wake up in the morning I have a fresh start. And I really love finishing my day with a nice hot cup of tea. It just makes me feel nourished and like my day is complete. I really hope you enjoyed my 5 ways to create a cozy home. Thanks for watching, and remember to put the sweet back in Home Sweet Home.